And now we're gonna do a cabin air filter change. So I already started pulling this off. Guys, this stuff is literally just crumbling into dust. I would really rather throw it away, but our garbage can is full.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
So you see all these clips here that hold up this little insulation blanket. Just undo all of those, and I believe the air filter is actually right here. Yeah. God dang, I can't even believe they use this stuff. I mean, look at that. Look at that. All of it's just crumbled down into this pile. Slide it to the right, and that sucker just falls right down. And this, honestly, I would say doesn't look too awful. I could be wrong. It does look a good bit darker, actually. Redo the clips. Thank you guys so much for watching our video. Hit the subscribe button if you got any value. Give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys next week. See ya.